If you want to protect your privacy online in 2026, chances are you've heard about NordVPN. It's one of the most popular VPNs in the world, but a lot of people are still confused about one thing: how do you actually use it on all your devices? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use NordVPN step by step, in a simple way that works whether you're on phone, laptop, or even smart TV. Let's get started. First, what is NordVPN and why would you even use it? A VPN, or virtual private network, helps you hide your IP address, encrypt your internet connection, and access content that may be restricted in your country. In simple terms, it adds a layer of privacy and security when you're browsing online. Now, the first step is getting NordVPN. You need to go to the official website, create an account, and choose a plan. Once you sign up, you'll be able to download the app on multiple devices using the same account, and that's one of the best things about NordVPN. It works across almost everything: Windows and Mac, Android and iPhone, smart TVs, browsers like Chrome and Firefox. Now let's talk about how to actually use it. Once you download and install NordVPN, open the app and log in with your account. You'll see a map or a list of countries. This is where you choose the location you want to connect to. If you just want basic protection, you can simply press Quick Connect, and NordVPN will automatically connect you to the fastest server available. But if you want to access content from a specific country, like Netflix in the US, you can manually select that country from the list. Once you connect, your internet traffic is encrypted, and your IP address is replaced with the server location you selected. Now let's go device by device. On smartphones, using NordVPN is very simple. You just download the app from the App Store or Google Play, log in, and tap Quick Connect. It works the same way as on a computer. On laptops or desktops, the process is almost identical. The only difference is that you might have more settings available, like choosing specific servers or enabling advanced features. For browsers, NordVPN offers extensions for Chrome and Firefox. These are useful if you only want to protect your browsing activity without affecting other apps. Now, what about smart TVs? Some smart TVs support NordVPN directly, especially Android TVs. You just install the app, log in, and connect like usual. If your TV doesn't support VPN apps, you can still use NordVPN by setting it up on your router. That way, every device connected to your Wi-Fi will automatically be protected. Now let's talk about some important features you should know. NordVPN includes a kill switch, which automatically disconnects your internet if the VPN connection drops. This helps protect your data from being exposed. There's also something called split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps use the VPN and which don't. This can be useful if you only want to route certain traffic through the VPN. Another feature is threat protection, which can block ads, trackers, and malicious websites. Now, while NordVPN is very easy to use, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, using a VPN can sometimes slightly reduce your internet speed, depending on the server you choose. Second, not all streaming platforms work perfectly all the time with VPNs, since they constantly update their systems. And finally, while a VPN improves privacy, it doesn't make you completely anonymous. You still need to use the internet responsibly. So, is NordVPN worth using in 2026? The honest answer is yes, especially if you care about privacy, security, or accessing global content. It's easy to use, works on almost every device, and offers strong protection for everyday browsing. In short, NordVPN is one of the simplest ways to take control of your online privacy. If this tutorial helped you, let me know in the comments, on which device are you planning to use NordVPN the most?